What's going on? Hey, today is Monday. I think it's September 21st or 22nd. I'm in Mexico, traveling. I've been traveling the world since March of 2017. March 2017. I left the USA. I've been traveling the world, and I've been making all my money online. Let me say that again. I have been making money since March of 2017 online. I use a very simple system, okay? I don't do any of this crazy, weird stuff out there that everybody else is trying to sell you, an ebook or download a program or whatever. Check out this storm over here. Show them that storm, baby. Check it out. It's crazy. We got a big storm coming here. I don't think it's going to hit us, though. We're close to the beach. We're right on the beach on the Caribbean Sea in the Cancun, Mexico area. It is beautiful here. But check out those clouds over there. Actually looks like some aliens. We love aliens, right? I love aliens. It looks like some aliens are coming in. But anyway, let me talk to you here real quick. So here's how we make the money. There's a couple of different ways, right? You can sell products online, like Amazon.com. I can get you registered and signed up with Amazon within 1 hour. You can be selling products on Amazon. Amazon pays you a commission on every product you sell, and you can make a lot of money, thousands of dollars a day, okay? The second way is you can go out and you can partner up with other companies. Like you have a lot of people out there like Walmart, Best Buy, lots of companies, Mercedes-Benz, Coca-Cola, you name it. They're all in the affiliate marketing business. It's called affiliate marketing partnerships. Partnerships are how you can just partner up with somebody. They have the product. Or the whatever, glasses, it could be shorts, it could be flip-flops, it could be anything, right?
And this?
You sell anything.
You belt.
It could be anything. My belt, it could be fitness, it could be anything. Vitamins, lotions, potions, clothes, real estate, it could be buildings,
Viagra,
iPhones, and then you market their products, and when somebody buys one with your link, they pay you a commission.
Oh, it's raining.
It's like it's starting to rain. We're going to go in a minute, but I'm just making this video for everybody asking me questions all over social media. So you can partner up with other people, sell their products, and they pay you a commission. It's really simple. It's like you sell real estate, you're a real estate agent, you're selling the properties for the builder, and then they pay you a commission on every property, every apartment, every condo, every house that you sell. Does that make sense? But you do it all online, and you automate it. You make it automated. So, for example, Amazon has the #1 automated sales funnel system in the world. People click on an ad online, they go buy a product like these glasses for $100, and then they pay you a commission of, let's say, 10%. So you make $10. But what if you make $10 100 times a day? That's a lot of money. That's $1,000 a day. I make my money the third way as an online coach. So people hire me, like you, and then they pay me a fee because I'm very expensive. I'm a professional. I'm an expert at getting people up and running, making money on the internet really quick, like in one day. So if you love that idea, click on the link in the description below. We're gonna walk to the beach right now and check out the store. No, click on the link. Not that I got my crazy partner here in life talking. All she talks about is sex, right? Which I love. I'm 50 years old. Of course, I love talking about sex all the time. With my, she's about 21 years younger than me. But anyway, seriously, guys, if you want to make a lot of money, why don't you contact me? No charge. It's complimentary.
Click.
I will get you on a call. I'll show you how to do it. Even if you're a business owner, if you're making $10,000 every week, how about we make $50,000 a week? I can show you the #1 system I copied in the world. I've been traveling for 30 months. 30 months making all my money online. So why don't you check it out? Click on the link in the description below, or just send me a message. Say, yes, I'm interested. Send me info. I'll get you on a call. I'll send you some videos. Check it out. But the only way to really make money is to have somebody like me take you by the hand, put my arm around your shoulder, show you exactly how to make the money, and then you make the money live with me. We make cash live every day. Okay, I'll see you soon. Show them a picture of the store. In Mexico. We're traveling in Mexico. All over crazy. Look at that. That's all rain. That's all rain out there. All right, so what are you waiting for? Just send me some information. Will you stop? Send me some information. I mean, send me a message and just say, yes, I'm interested. Jim, I love this. Get me on the phone. I want to make a lot of money. All right, and I want to travel the world. Let's travel the world. Hey, how would you like to just go into the airport, get in a car, drive to the airport, and book a 1-month vacation in the Caribbean and make all your money online, thousands of dollars every day while you're traveling in the Caribbean? All right, send me a message below. Say, yes, I'm interested. I'll be in touch. Let's go.